Greetings and welcome. I'm Dr. Stephen Pidgeon of the Cepher Publishing Group, its Chief Executive Officer and President. And today I wanted to answer the question, what is the Cepher? This collection of writings in the Cepher, pronounced Cepher, is a restoration of the books traditionally recognized as set-apart scripture and also includes certain writings retained in the Dead Sea Scrolls, Hanok and Yovelim, together with the recaptured writing of the Sefer HaYashar, or Yasher, and the Apocalypse of Baruch, Second Baruch, the recapture of those books recognized in the Septuagint and is completed with the last two writings of the Maccabean, 3 and 4 Maccabean. The Cepher sets forth the set-apart name and set-apart identities in an English transliteration, and restores the names of people and places found in the original Ivrit, or Hebrew, tongue, all of which have also been transliterated into English. Give ear, O ye heavens, and I will speak and hear, O earth, the words of my mouth. My doctrine shall drop as the rain, my speech shall distill as the dew, as the small rain upon the tender herb, and as the showers upon the grass. Because I will publish the name of Yahweh. Ascribe ye greatness unto our Elohim. It's from Devarim, or Deuteronomy 32, verses 1 through 3.